Buy Ring Peephole Full HD Smart Security Cam at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Upgrade your door's peephole with a 1080p HD video doorbell that enables you to see, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere. Get alerts on your phone, tablet, and PC when anyone knocks on your door, presses the doorbell button, or triggers the motion sensors. Enjoy security and convenience by replacing your door's peephole with a smart, compact video doorbell. Get mobile notifications when anyone presses the built-in doorbell button, knocks on the door, or triggers the motion sensors. Then answer the notification to see, hear, and speak to visitors from anywhere. It's designed for easy self-setup in minutes on houses, apartments, condos, even dorms. If there's a compatible peephole on your door, Peephole Cam has it covered, so you can spend less time worrying about home and more time enjoying your day. Peephole Cam is easy to install and comes with all the tools you need to replace your peephole in under 5 minutes, no wiring or drilling required. Connect your Ring camera with Alexa, then enable announcements to be alerted when motion is detected. Talk to visitors through compatible Echo devices by saying, "Alexa, talk to the front door." Works with Ring Video Doorbell, Peephole Cam, Stick-Up Cam Battery, and Spotlight Cam Battery. Powers your device for up to 6 months depending on motion and light settings. Monitor your doorway in HD video, and check in on home at any time with live view on demand video and audio. Receive mobile notifications when anyone knocks on the door, presses the doorbell button, or triggers the motion sensors. Connect Peephole Cam with select Alexa-enabled devices to receive announcements and launch video with the sound of your voice. Peephole Cam is powered by a removable battery pack that plugs into a standard outlet to recharge. A built-in impact sensor lets you know when anyone comes knocking, so you'll never miss a thing. Peephole Cam is simple to install all by yourself. Simply unscrew and remove the existing peephole on your door with the included tool. Then place the camera on the outside and connect it with the rear section on the inside. Once it's in place, insert the rechargeable battery and snap the cover onto the rear section. Now you're ready to protect. It includes a quick release tab to easily charge the battery without moving the device.